bucket level indicator quit or broken. Come on, really? Oh, I gotta climb up the inside. Oh wow, man, I'm way off. All right, now I got mostly cleanish dirt. Now I'm gonna loosen it and blade it, loosen it and blade it, and work on that inside of that dam. All right, now we're down to what's quote cleanish dirt. Mostly clean, so I'm gonna just go and loosen and blade and loosen and blade and start pushing it. So like if you were building this with a dozer, this is what you'd be doing. And this is the better of the dirt. It's below most of the roots. And then I'm gonna, keep pushing this to the inside of the pond dam. That right there is good moisture, what I was just digging. Let's see if it can continue or not. Ugh, rocks. So that's what the dam's going to be made of on the inside, what I'm digging right now. And I'm going to just keep pushing like this. And that's the process for a while now. When you got a smaller machine, that's what you got to do. Any bigger rocks, I'll grab them and chunk them to the back of the dam or outside. So I don't really want to go any deeper up next to the dam. There's a rock. I want to get the depth from right out here where we're at, because I got that core trench of kind of good dirt in there. I probably could take and just go ahead and grade this all out and leave it, and it'll probably hold. But if you're gonna make a watering hole, in my opinion, get it as big as you can. So obviously the more water the better, for cooler water and longevity where it's gonna stay during droughts. If this was soft or moist, I could probably use the tractor here, but it's pretty darn hard, a lot of this stuff. So that's where I'll be for a while on this part. It's gonna be time consuming. I should film at the same time. But I will. Do you mount your band leader? Alright, so hopefully I'm getting close. I'm gonna go get the laser and maybe the tractor and see. I would like the water to start right here where we're at, and I'd like this to be standing water up in here, and I'd like the water to go all the way up to this end. However, I don't think the laser is going to show that. I think right now the laser is only going to show some water down in this area. Man, this stuff is so hard. cutting through the bottom here. That's what I think. I think right now it's only going to show maybe from like right here, close to around where the bucket is sitting right there, this area, which that in and of itself would probably be good. But like I said, if I'm going to dig it, let's get it at least 3 feet in one spot, preferably 4. But this rocky ground is making it real hard. But the bright side is, if you get it sealed up, this is going to stay clean with these Ozark, the clay and the dirt. It's going to be a lot cleaner of a pond with virtually no silt in it. So anyways, I'm going to probably go and grab some lunch and get the laser and see what happens. All right, I got the bucket on the tractor now. I got the laser in there. I'm going to go higher with the dam instead of trying to go lower and risking it leaking from the bottom. So I got a couple big piles that I got to move with the tractor. I'll run the laser first and see how that goes and go from there. All right, let's see where we're at here. If I want the water, to come up right here. It's only a foot deep right here. Oh wow, man, I'm way off. Way off. There, it's not even going to be underwater here. Something ain't right. I don't know if this laser's level. It didn't give me the flashing, but that's not right. I've done this enough to know that that's not right. Let me try to reset it, and I suppose it could be, but let's get this where the water would be up all the way up to here. All right, so the water came up to this laser level basically. All right, now it would be 2 foot deep right about here. And it would come up to the dam right here. So that's better. But if I build this dam up and I build that side up where the laser is, actually, it's not terrible. It might get in the spillway. If I build this corner up right here, right where that dirt pile is, I could cheat this thing and get it up to probably about here for my depth. So yeah, that's where we're gonna start. Start with some dirt work. Okay, plan B, I gotta push this end here. Oh man, my leveler quit. So it's gonna be water right here where I'm pushing. camera already. Come on, man. Really? Alright, that ain't working. Ain't nothing metal up here. That's nice. I guess we gotta do this. Ow. Alright, do over. Ugh. I actually got the damn eyeball pretty good for level. Just gonna bring it up. Get rid of all this dirt anyways. Bring the dam up, whatever, another 6-8 inches. And then come back with the excavator. Dam from the inside with the tractor. It's getting a little sketchy up on top of it. You can see this is mostly junk dirt. I mean, it'll do all right on the back side. Normally you just dig down for most water holes, but not here in the Ozarks. You can't just dig down, because if you hit rock, you're done then. So I gotta climb up the inside. Beef up that backside just like that. Rough ride today. Level indicator quit on me. The nut came off at the end. I can't get a little better scoop there, right next to that tree. I think after this, I'm going to put the laser out again and double check, see where we're at. Might be time for the excavator again next. Ooh. Little sketchy going on there. Alright, we'll check back in. Alright, just started audio. Check it again. See if we get water up to here. Okay, my foot, that's the water. That's much better. There we go. All right, that's what I wanted. We're close to the top of the dam. Right here. And then we're going down. Right here, perfect. 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 All right, well, we'll have water right up into here. I'll build a second ramp right here. And I gotta work on this corner a little more. And we're still only looking at right here, 2 foot deep right here. That's it. That's all we're getting. Yeah, that's it. 2 foot deep. That's 2 foot. That's close to 2.5 feet right here. So we'll build the dam up a little bit more in that corner. And depending on how this corner holds here, you know, we might add another foot of water right here. Because it kind of goes this way, uphill from here. So it could come all the way out to here. And then we would add more in the corner there. All right, progress. We will go, we'll beef up that corner with what dirt we got left. And then we'll come back with the excavator. All right, I'm calling it for today. I got just about all that I could get with the tractor out of here on the back side. I'm gonna have to go deeper. The plan calls for a 3 foot minimum, I believe, for depth. So I'm gonna have to bring the excavator in and just risk, you know, cutting this down and hope I got enough clay down there. I gotta get at least another, about a foot or so, at least in this pocket right here. And the water's gonna come all the way up close to the top of the dam. I mean, you're supposed to have at least a foot over the top, which I should have. So I'm gonna come back in the next few days and take it deeper. I don't have much of a choice. I mean, the higher you go on a dam, you just need mountains more dirt. So that's the plan. We'll continue it on. I don't know how my bucket level indicator quit or broke on me. I don't know what. Come on, really? What happened there?